Tired of juggling multiple dashboards and struggling to compare data from separate sources in Tableau? This tutorial will guide you through creating a unified filtering experience across multiple data sources using drop-down filters in Tableau, allowing for seamless analysis and comparative insights. First, let's ensure you have at least 2 data sources connected in your Tableau workbook. These could be spreadsheets, databases, or any data Tableau supports. Will use sales by product and customer satisfaction data. Next, we'll build a simple visualization within each respective worksheet using different fields from the different data sources. For example, create a bar chart of sales by product by region for one sheet, and in another worksheet, a pie chart showing customer satisfaction by region for the other. Now, let's tackle the most important step, the drop-down filter. Drag the region field from your primary data source, say sales by product, into the filters shelf on your worksheet. Choose to display the filter as a drop-down. Then, we move on to the other worksheet. On the second worksheet, repeat, bringing the region field from customer satisfaction into the filters shelf and display as a drop-down list. At this point, each filter will only control the data in its designated worksheet. We're almost there. Now, it is time to enable the Across Data Source filter. Navigate to the drop-down menu of one region filter, select Apply to Worksheets, and then select All using related data sources. This important setting will make the filter control data in all worksheets. Let's test it out. When you select a specific region in one filter, you'll see both dashboards now update dynamically and consistently, reflecting the data for that region. No matter what the underlying data source, this unified filtering experience allows for better data-driven insights. And there you have it. You have created a unified filtering experience across multiple data sources using drop-down filters in Tableau. This provides a powerful way to analyze and compare data from various sources within a single interactive dashboard. For more Tableau tips, like and subscribe.